Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair Company. Thank you so much, Tinashe Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. I'm really excited to be showing you how to install a glueless wig. Oh my goodness, you guys, the curls are super amazing. The wig came pre-plucked, the wig came pre-bleached. Everything looks super amazing. So it is a ready to wear wig, so all you need to do is just cut the lace and yeah, you are good to go. So I'm really excited to be showing you guys that. But before that, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, okay, and for direct links if you want to purchase this gorgeous wig that I'm about to show you. Okay, so yeah, let's get straight into today's video. Look at the goodies that they sent me. I am in love with this wig storage because when I travel I use them so much. Okay, so let me show you what is inside. It is a lot, okay, like Tinashe Hair came through. So the first thing that they were kind enough to send me was this wig cap. Trust me, a girl can never have enough bonnets, you guys. A straw comb. I love me some clippers, you guys. A brush to lay edges. A pair of mink branded eyelashes. A Tinashe hairband to lay your edges. I am obsessed with this. It also has this velcro right here, so I am really obsessed with this. I am so happy that they sent me this. So this is how their box is looking. How gorgeous is this box? And this is how it opens up. So on the side here it is written the length. It is written the length of the wig, the style of the wig, and also the type of the lace wig it is. So the length of the wig is 16 inches. It is 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it is 180% density. So you have everything right here. This is very thoughtful, by the way. And look at the packaging, you guys. Look at the wig. It is literally ready to wear. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, let's take it out. Look at the curls, guys. Look at those curls. Seriously, guys, I am so obsessed. They are so shiny. They're even bouncy. Look at that. I'm so obsessed, you guys. The lace is super soft, so it's going to be very easy for it to blend with my skin. So the wig has 4 combs inside, an extra band, and also it has 2 adjustable belts. So as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy the rest of the video. And please do not forget to check the description box for more details if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair from Tinashe Hair Company. So let's get straight into this installation process, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm obsessed.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it.
Guys, honestly, the hair is so soft. Oh my goodness, it is super soft, and I love the fact that it is super pre-plucked. Look at that. I also love the fact that it is, guys, look at this. The wig is not going anywhere, okay? So that extra band, you guys, it does the job. It gets the job done, you guys. I am so excited. Guys, let me just cut the lace, okay? I'm really happy. Tinashe Hair, you are coming through. Oh my goodness. I love this.
Sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't phone several times, but you leave me with that busy tone. To be alone, it adds right through my bones. I can't believe, girl, that you left, that you're gone. I've tried to drink you, girl, away, but it seems like in my head you say, why couldn't we keep it like forever? 'Cause you are my deepest love I've ever had. Why couldn't we keep it like forever? 'Cause you are my deepest love I've ever had.
Guys, as much as I'm obsessed with the fact that this wig is glueless, I am really blown away by these lovely curls. The fact that I did not have to curl any wigs today, it gives me great pleasure. I'm so obsessed. It means that I'm working with a great quality hair, and I love me some great quality hair. I am obsessed, you guys. As you all can see, the curls are still bouncy, the curls are still there. I keep on touching them, but they are not falling down, okay? So I'm really happy, you guys. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Tinashe Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye guys.